Okay everyone, this is not what you think. This was not FOMO, okay? Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you can see from the thumbnail, I have a Chanel unboxing, but it's not from the recent price increase. I know everyone has been purchasing something from Chanel due to the recent price increase, so no, this was not from FOMO. So this is actually a bag I purchased in 2016 that I never took out of the box. Yes, you must be thinking you are crazy that you bought a bag and you never unboxed it until now, but I'll explain why after I show you what I purchased in 2016 and I never showed. So here it is. It is a Chanel rectangular mini in the champagne gold hardware and the lambskin. So you must be wondering, are you crazy? Why did you never use and open this? And the main reason why I never did is because this is made of lambskin and I was just too scared to use it. But come on, it's 2021 now, and honestly, if you're going to be getting any kind of mini, it's going to be lambskin, so you might as well just use it. I mean, for a moment I was wondering, should I just not use it and sell it, because I do have a rectangular mini in the red paint and leather, but because this is just such a classic color and I do know that some people have an okay experience with lambskin, and because it's black, and I know I can repair this in the future if something does go really wrong, which I hope it doesn't, I have decided to use this. So just to confirm my commitment, let's take off the stickers. Okay, the sticker's off, so it's confirmed. I am keeping this bag. And there's still a little bit of blue there and some up here. And for a moment, I was so worried because I've heard horror stories of when you keep the stickers on for too long, it kind of damages the hardware. But I'm just looking at this now and it looks perfectly fine. So there you have it. It is a 2016 bag, so hypothetically it's almost 5 years old, and this is what it looks like. I'm sure a lot of you know what the rectangular mini looks like, and this one still has an authenticity card, so you can see it is from the 23 series. And I purchased this at the time because the Chanel minis didn't really come in a champagne color, and as soon as I saw this, because I prefer a champagne over that really deep yellow color, I find that it's more versatile versus just the pure gold or pure silver color. So the only regret I have was that after they released this, they actually came out with the same bag in caviar, which I probably would have preferred. But having said that, I don't have too many lambskin bags, so I think this will be a good opportunity to use it. So this is what it looks like on me. It kind of hits around the hip length, so I think that's really good. And then shoulder length, it is a bit long, so what I'll likely do is just tie something on the inside just to make it shorter so that it's more appropriate for a shoulder length. So I'm just gonna fill this up really quickly to let you know what fits. I think there are maybe thousands of videos that talk about what fits in this bag, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. It's just gonna quickly show you what I can put inside. Mind you, I'm doing this for the first time, although I do have it in the red patent leather. So I have the two Calvi card holders, which I'm gonna stick. They fit perpendicularly, so that's really good. I have a pen, So I don't know if I can fit this, not with the pen holder, so I would probably have to play a bit of Tetris to move this around maybe, and then stick this at the bottom if I really wanted to. So it would fit like that if I really wanted to. And then obviously, sign of the times, I will need a mask holder. And then I have my AirPods. I can probably stick a lipstick in here or two. And then if I have a hand sanitizer, I can probably fit this at the top. I just ran out, so I can't really show you what that looks like, but that fits like that, and I can close that quite comfortably, as you can see here. And in case you are wondering if the phone fits, I'm going to just have to remove a couple of items in here so that I can fit my phone. So I've taken out the pen and one of the lipsticks and my AirPods. So that does fit quite comfortably in there with room to spare. So in case you have a case, that should fit fine. And obviously I can stick my AirPods back in and possibly the other lipstick. So it actually fits quite a bit. Most of your essentials and a lipstick. So one of the reasons why I prefer to get the rectangular mini over the square mini was that I always felt that the phone would fit easier on this side. I know the shoulder drop on the square mini is actually a bit better for my height. I'm approximately 163 or 5'4". However, I think convenience is also a factor, so hence the square rectangular. And at the time, my essay convinced me that the rectangular was definitely more popular and difficult to get at the time, although I know the square mini is also very popular now. Honestly, I also would have also wanted a square mini, but given the recent price increases, I just thought it didn't make sense for me to get another square mini. Also, I had always wanted it in caviar, and they don't make it in caviar anymore, and so I think I'll have a pass. I have a pretty nice and good Chanel collection now, so I don't plan to add anything with caveats in the future for Chanel, just because of the pricing and the quality issues. But never say never, right? As women, we are entitled to change our mind, and you know, that's all a part of retail therapy, which is why we're all watching this, right? So thank you so much for watching this with me, and thank you for unboxing my long-awaited 5-year unboxing. Crazy, I know, crazy, right? So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and if you haven't done so already, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'm also on Instagram, and I'll put the hashtag for my Instagram account down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you a lovely week, and we will see you next time. Bye bye now.